I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to configure your drone with Betaflight. First, connect your flight controller to your computer using a standard USB cable. Next, ensure you have the Betaflight Configurator application installed on your desktop. Before making any adjustments, it is crucial to back up your current configuration. This simple step can save you a lot of trouble if something goes wrong during the setup process, ensuring you can always revert to a working state. Once connected, the first critical step is to calibrate your accelerometer. This ensures your drone understands its orientation accurately, which is vital for stable flight. Then, move on to setting up your receiver, choosing the correct protocol like S-Bus or Crossfire, depending on your hardware. Finally, configure your motors and electronic speed controllers, or ESC, to ensure they spin correctly and respond to your commands, typically by setting the motor direction. Now, let's assign your flight modes. You'll want to set up modes like angle, acro, and horizon to switches on your radio for easy access during flight. Next, we dive into PID tuning. These proportional, integral, and derivative values are crucial for fine-tuning how your drone responds to stick inputs and maintains stability. Start with the default settings, then make small adjustments. Always perform a short test flight after changes to evaluate the new settings. For more advanced control, explore the on-screen display, or OST, settings to customize what flight data you see in your goggles. Consider configuring advanced motor protocols like DShot 600 or DShot 1000 for improved communication between your flight controller and ESCs. Once you are satisfied with all your settings, remember to click the Save and Reboot button. After saving, safely disconnect your drone from your computer. You are now ready to fly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.